This video will show you how to install your new appliance smart plug using step-by-step instructions. Remember, if you need help with any part of this installation, simply call TELUS Smart Home Technical Support at 1-855-255-8828. First, please ensure you have the correct plug for this installation. The bottom of the plug-in appliance module will have a 3-pronged plug-in. The dimmer module will only have 2 prongs. The appliance smart plug can be used to control any electronic appliance that can be powered off. First, connect the smart plug to your TELUS Smart Home using the TELUS Smart Home app. Log in to your TELUS Smart Home app, click on the menu button on the top left corner, select Add Device, choose Lighting and Appliance Control. Select the Go Control plugin for appliances with Nightlight. Then follow the on-screen instructions to complete your setup. Trigger the plug by pressing the button on the device twice. Congratulations! You have successfully installed your appliance smart plug. The appliance plugged into it can be toggled on and off remotely using your Smart Home app. Remember that if the outlet is controlled by a wired switch, the smart plug will lose connectivity when the switch is turned off. It's recommended to use the smart plug on an unswitched outlet.